County takes tourists. Should be any second now.
Here we go. I think. Here we go. Here comes the rain, by the way. It's raining pretty hard, I'm not gonna lie. It's raining.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northern Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee, south central Maury County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Giles County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:42 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles west of Lawrenceburg, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over
Dude, that thunder.
areas of northern Lawrence, south central Maury, and northwestern Giles counties, including the following locations: East Ridge. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Here into an unforgiving world.
Alright, well, there's that.